Okay, next I'm going to show you a Minolta SR-1 film camera. This camera does not have a light meter, but I'm going to show you the aesthetics first. There's a front, the side, the other side, the top. Maximum speed is 500, the bottom. I'm going to demonstrate to you the shutter speed. But before that, I do something I always forgot first, which is to show you the timer. Okay, sorry, when the timer does not work. Okay. I think I ruined the... I think something happened. Oh no, now I cannot fire this camera. Yeah. Okay. Just show you the back side and this side. Yeah, I'm not sure what happened, but I can't fire the camera anymore. I think it has to do with the timer. Man, no, can't fire. Man, ayo. Okay, so the timer actually ruined the camera. Not sure what to do for depressing this thing. But yeah, man, it was working before this, and now it's not working. Sorry, guys. Need to be more careful when I test the timer next time, because I think, yeah. Man, cannot fire now. Okay, thanks everyone. See you.